फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल फार्मावेव स्टडी। आज हम बात करेंगे टॉपिक हार्ट पे, एनाटॉमी ऑफ हार्ट। तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, हार्ट सिचुएटेड कहाँ होता है, पोजीशन क्या है हमारे बॉडी में। तो हार्ट की पोजीशन कहाँ है, द हार्ट लाइज थोरेसिक कैविटी, मीन्स आप फिगर में देख सकते हैं, सीन फिगर एंड मेडिटोन। Its lies obliquely as a little more to the left than the right and present a base above and apex below apex and about 9 cm in length, 9 cm to the left of midline of the midline and fifth in intercostal and left of midline and level of the fifth intercostal space a little below the nipple and slightly nearer the midline. The base extend to the level of the second rib, level in the second rib. and इनकी वेट की बात करें तो हार्ट इज रफली कॉन्सेप्ट होता है, कॉन्सेप्ट एंड हेलो मस्कुलर ऑर्गन. It is about 10 cm long, length about 10 cm and about size की बात करें तो size means weight की बात करें तो weight की बात करें तो 255 in women and 310 gram in man. And next means organ associated कहाँ होता है, organ associated with the heart. आते हैं नेक्स्ट स्लाइड पे. कम टू द नेक्स्ट स्लाइड. organ associated with means heart lies in the thoracic cavities in the mid-astium. It lie obliquely a little more to the left than the right and present a base above and apex below. Apex is 9 cm and left to the midline and level to fifth intercostal space, जैसा कि आपने बताया. एंड आगे बात करते हैं पोजीशन की. एंड पोजीशन की तो बात कर लिया. अब हार्ट कहाँ पे, ऑर्गन कौन कौन से एसोसिएटेड होते हैं हार्ट से, ऑर्गन कौन कौन से एसोसिएटेड होते हैं. organ associated with heart is first is inferiorly means निचले पार्ट में कौन कौन से होते हैं तो inferiorly the apex rest on the central tendon of the diaphragm, means central tendon apex rest. inferior vena cava and second is superiorly में the great blood vessels, example aorta and example aorta. Superior vena cava pulmonary arteries, pulmonary arteries, pulmonary arteries is superiorly, and pulmonary veins and posteriorly, posterior associated organ is posterior associated organ is the esophagus, the esophagus, and second is trachea, trachea, and third is bronchus, right bronchus, right bronchus, and thoracic vertebrate, and laterally is lung, laterally is lungs, and left lung overlap the left side of the heart, overlap of left side of heart, and anteriorly की बात करें तो sternum, anteriorly is sternum, and ribs and intercostal mucosa, intercostal muscles is present. And come to the next slide. अब बात करते हैं स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ द हार्ट वॉल, स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ द हार्ट वॉल. द हार्ट वॉल is composed of the three layer of the tissues, three layer of tissues. First layer is called pericardium, myocardium, and endocardium. Myocardium and endocardium. See in the figure, endocardium, myocardium, and pericardium. Myocardium, endocardium, and pericardium. See in the figure. And what is a pericardium? Pericardium is the outermost layer and made up of the two sacs, and outer sac consists of fiber tissues, and the inner of the continuous double layer of the serous membrane. The outer fiber sac is continuous with the tunica adventita to the great blood vessels above and adherent to the diaphragm below in elastic fiber and nature prevent over distension of heart. Over distension of heart. And second is myocardium. Myocardium is myocardium. Let's discuss the myocardium. Myocardium the myocardium is composed of specialized cardiac muscles found only in the heart. It is not under voluntary control but is standard like skeletal muscles. Each fiber has the nucleus and one or more branches and tendon cell. Their branch is very close contact with in and branch is adjacent cell microscopically and contain myocardium cell contain is nucleus and very fibrous fiber cells फाइबर मसल्स होते हैं। एंडोकार्डियम की बात करें, एंडोकार्डियम मीन्स दिस लाइन द चेम्बर हैव valve and heart. It is a thin smooth glistening membrane that permit smooth flow of blood inside the heart. It consists of flattened epithelial cell and it is continuously with the endothelium lining and blood vessels. Thank you for watching, and next video is coming soon, and please like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.